Hey there! Today, we'll create this fun chair with easy steps. Subscribe and let's jump in. New. Small objects, centimeters. Double-click on the Perspective tab. Solid creation. Truncated cone. 0 enter. Base radius, 2.5. Top of truncated cone, 1.5. Radius at top, 4. Press enter. Press enter to run the command again. Enable center snap. Enable quad snap. Click when the center snaps. Click when quad appears. Top of truncated cone, 23. Radius at top, 2. Box. 30 enter. 30 enter. 5 enter. Solid tools. Fillet edges. Next radius. 2. Select edges. Press enter twice. Move. Select the poly surface. Press enter. Enable end snap. Click the endpoint. Snap to the quadrant and click. Drag to select objects. Copy. Snap to the center and click. Snap to the center and click. Box. 5 enter. 1.5 enter. 17 enter. Select the box. Move. Point to move from. Point to move to. Enable gumball. Move. -1.5. Move. -1.5. Transform tools. Mirror. Enable midpoint snap. Click the midpoint. Keep the selection. Copy. Click the midpoint. Use the midpoint as reference. Click when intersection appears. Rectangle. 30 enter. 18 enter. Click the rectangle. Click the point. Move. 3 enter. Click the point. Move. -3 enter. Fillet curves. Radius. 4. Enter. First curve. Second curve. Press Enter. First curve. Second curve. Solid creation. Extrude curve. Select curves. Press Enter. Solid, yes. 3. Enter. Select the extrusion. Press and drag the arc to rotate. Hold Shift to rotate 90 degrees. Display. Ghosted viewport. Select the extrusion. Move. Use midpoints as reference. Use midpoints as reference. Display. Monochrome viewport. Delete. Solid tools. Fillet edges. Next radius. 0.3. Press Enter. Select all edges. Press Enter twice. Display. Rendered viewport. Render tools. Toggle materials panel. New material. Plastic. Select all objects. Right-click the material. Assign to objects. Color. Blue. Purple. Violet. Click OK. Viewport menu. Display options. Background. Solid color. Click OK. Select all objects. Drafting. Make 2D. First angle projection. Disable hidden lines. Enable scene silhouette. Click OK. Top. Move. Perspective. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.